What's the meaning of beachcomber? Beachcomber. Beachcomber.
Beachcomber. Beachcomber. A beachcomber is someone who spends their time combing the beach for treasures or interesting objects. This term is often used to describe people who engage in beachcombing as a hobby, especially those who may be searching for seashells, driftwood, or other natural materials. The act of beachcombing can be both relaxing and rewarding, allowing individuals to connect with nature and uncover hidden gems along the shoreline. Some beachcombers may also have an interest in marine biology or environmental conservation, using their beachcombing expeditions as a way to learn more about the coastal ecosystem and the impact of human activity on the environment.